Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what is inside of my beach bag. I'm seriously so excited about this video because it is being pre-filmed right now. So by the time you guys are watching this, I'll be on the beach using my beach bag. I'm packing it after I film this video, which I'm seriously so excited about. So I'm going to have, hopefully, fingers crossed, some fun like summertime content after this week for you guys. But I have the cutest beach bag to share with you guys, and I got it from Etsy. I will have the shop link down below, but it is the super massive bag. Like, it is huge, and it has my monogram in the middle, so it's just KMC. I'm completely obsessed. I think you can get this in any color, which is so cool. And it's just like this big circle bag with these really pretty brown leather straps. I feel like it is just so cute, so summer, and so preppy. And I love that it's a circle because I feel like it makes it a little bit different, but just really cute. And it is stuffed to the brims. I love bringing stuff to the pool or the beach with me that I'm going to use while I'm there, and I just love relaxing. And I have a really fun beach towel, so I'm just so excited to share all this with you guys. But before we get started, if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload. That way my videos will show up in your subscription box. I really appreciate it. And I would love to know in the comments down below, what is your #1 beach essential? Let me know. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys. You guys are seriously like some of my best friends, and it's so much fun being able to chit chat with you guys. And I love getting to know all of you. But we're just gonna get right into it because I am so excited. And the first thing, and by far the biggest thing in the bag, is my green Lily Pulitzer beach towel. So this was from the Lily / Target collab. It happened a long time ago. I think I have a video on my channel. I'll insert a clip in case you guys want to check it out. But it's just like this really bright neon green beach towel. It has like a darker green pattern in it. Has this beautiful little pink detail, and then it's like, and it's from this collab. I love it. It's such a nice towel because it's so big, and then it's just the perfect beach towel. It's by far my favorite. Then I also keep my hydro flask in here. So I have the white hydro flask. I have the 32-ounce one. Love bringing this with me because if you guys don't know, hydro flask can keep your drink cold. So if you put ice in here in the morning, it'll stay in there till the end of the day, which is perfect if you are outside in the heat by the pool or the ocean. And I got the pink cap off Amazon. It's not by the Hydro Flask brand, but I love it. I feel like it's just so me because I love pink so much. But that is like basically what takes up a majority of the bag. I do want to point out there's like a little inside pocket, and that is where I will throw my iPhone. I have my little pop wallet on here, so I have my ID and some money with me. And then I also keep my AirPods that I just recently got in here as well, which are so nice to have. I do need to get a case for them. That is on like my to-do list, but I keep that in the little pocket. It zips up, so I feel very like good with it in there. Sometimes I'll put them both in like a little like Ziploc baggie in case I'm worried about the sand or anything, but just for right now they're in there. Then I have this cute little pouch, which I recently just got, and I absolutely love it. It has this little bamboo tassel, but I love that it's pink and orange. I feel like this is my aesthetic. So cute. And I just keep all of my like products in here because I don't want them to like leak into my bag at all. So the first thing I keep in here is Neutrogena Sunscreen. I love this product so much. I picked it up at Costco. You can get 2 of these. They're really big. They're 8.5-ounce containers for, I want to say $13.99, which I thought was such a steal because you can get like 1 bottle of this for like 10 bucks, so you get 2 for 1. Love it. I am totally like obsessed with the Costco membership. Like, I go there all the time. Then I also have this Australian Gold bronzing lotion, which I really like because when you put it on, you get like a little bit of color already. This is the 30 SPF, so again, I'm kind of working on my tan a little bit, but still not there, so I have the 60. Then I have some deodorant because sometimes like when you're leaving or something, I just like want to freshen up a little bit. That might be TMI. And I also keep like this little travel size perfume in here, and I have no idea what scent's in here, but I love it. It's from Luxury Scent Box. They sent it to me forever for a collab, and I still use it. Then I have two little makeup products. The first one is this new Pixie blush. I love adding a little bit of this just to kind of make my skin look a little bit more lively while I'm out, but it's also just nice because it's a hydrating, moisturizing stick. And along with that, I also keep a chapstick in here because chapstick sometimes will have SPF, and this one does. And I don't know about you guys, but I always get the worst lip sunburn. It sounds so bizarre, but when your lips get sunburned, it's the absolute worst. So I love this one. It is the Fruit Smoothies tropical one, and I'm completely obsessed with it. I keep a few hair ties in here just in case I forget a scrunchie, but usually I have one with me. They're super cute. They're like Lily Pulitzer inspired. I think I got one of these in a PR package a long time ago. And then I also keep one of the makeup eraser towels in here. Sounds so silly, but sometimes I'll head to the pool or to the beach after like having a full face of makeup on. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't like when my mascara smears. So this thing is a game changer, but it's also nice and just in case like it does stay on or something. So I always keep one of these in my pool bag or my beach bag. I don't know, maybe I'm weird for doing this, but it's like such a life hack in my opinion. And then this bag also has like a little divider in here, and I keep my sunnies in here. And I just got these from Sojo Vision. I think they're on Amazon. Super cute. I love them. I think they're like 20 bucks, so such a steal. And they're really nice and tinted, which is great for the sun. I'm just gonna load this back up. But it's so nice because sometimes I'm just so scared of this stuff just like leaking out, and I feel like it's so organized in this little zippy pouch. And then I also have my iPad in here. I have this like cute little pink case, and I put one of my stickers on here just because I thought it was cute. I want to put more stickers on it eventually, but one at a time. And I like to have this in here in case I want to like watch something or just like write down stuff because I love using Procreate and everything. I also have the book I'm reading. I'm currently reading The Guest List. Oh my goodness, this book is so juicy. Have you guys read it? Like, I'm obsessed. I'm about halfway and I really like it. I think by the time I'm on vacation though, by the time this video is up, I'm probably gonna be on my next book, but it's such a good read. I love having a book to read while I'm out. And life hack, I will put my AirPods in and I won't listen to anything. They just have the noise cancellation so you can't hear anything while you're reading. So I really like that feature. And then the only other things in here are a mask and a lip gloss. Leave it to me to leave a lip gloss in the bottom of my bag. But I have this super cute Lily Pulitzer inspired face mask just while I'm out and stuff. So that is what I keep in this super cute bag. Like, look how like it shrinks up. So this is going to be such a nice packing piece because it literally can like fold up into the tiniest thing, but it's also such a big bag. So I'm really excited to bring this on my trip and use it, and I've been using it so far to the pool and everything, and I love it. And it just has the cutest monogram. So again, I will have the bag linked down below, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. What is your #1 beach essential? I love being able to chit chat with you. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below so you can get notified the next time I upload, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys.